of all, I think we get offended when people say women in comedy, or I don't know if I ever got comfortable. I don't think I still am. I also found humor very accidentally. I found that I am funny. So for me, that itself was such a journey from, to be comfortable and to start making content which is funny. So I think I'm still getting there. I don't think I'm there yet, but I am very proud to see that there's so many women now in the field and making everybody laugh, and I think it's crazy. I'm still getting used to it.
I don't care about the woman in comedy bit. I just think comedy is something that everybody has fun with. That it's something that uplifts people's moods, and it uplifts my mood when I look at fun stuff.
तो बस करते रहते हैं, जो मनाता है हम बना देते हैं। तो सोचते हैं तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, जो आपको कह रहे हैं कॉम्प्लिकेटेड झूठ बोलते हैं।
The best thing would be the love. We get a lot of love. And the worst thing would also be, the downside of it. So the hate and the trolling that we get.
The best thing, माता पिता की आंखों में there's a lot of respect for me, which is the best thing. So one Indian kid who's not disappointed their parents. I'm sure there's some things they're still disappointed about. लोग पहचान लेते हैं सड़क पे, which is the most humbling and the most powerful feeling at the same time. So that's something, that's the best part. The worst part is obviously sometimes the trolls get to you, but
इतना नहीं सोचना, चलते रहना चाहिए। ट्रोल्स हैं तो अच्छा है, बहुत लोग ऐसे आपकी तारीफ भी करते हैं और वहीं पे हम तशरीफ ले लेते हैं। जहाँ तारीफ है वहाँ हमारी तशरीफ है।
I don't think it's fame based. I mean, initially when we started, we used to try and do videos which will cross a certain number of views, viral ho jayengi. Obviously there's no formula to that, and we also found it very like by chance. Now when we do characters, I think especially, I think it applies to both of us, we try and make it relatable. I think that's the word we always try and hit, because I think people enjoy watching something that they can go and see and go like, oh my god, that's so me, or oh my god, that's like this person I know, or this auntie, or this cousin, or they want to see similar instances. You can't obviously create comedy with like an alien from some other planet unless that's like other kind of comedy. But I feel like right now the characters we do generally fall in a category of relatable, something you've seen before, and like an exaggerated version of those characters that you already have in life.
Fame genuinely doesn't drive it, because honestly that kind of stuff is really short-lived. A lot of what we do is writing based, it's writing backed, it's research backed, I will also say. It's experience backed. So you need to live those experiences to be able to put them out there. So मेरी लाइफ में तो ऐसे बहुत सारे कारनामे हुए हैं, and growing up I've had so many vivid, varied experiences that content कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता है, and that's all. That's what drives me. I feel like lived experiences drive you. When people write to you, oh, this is so relatable, I want to see more of it, I can watch this on loop, that really drives you. Your audience drives you.
So I joined iRiva as an intern, and Kusha was already there as a writer, and she's such a fabulous writer. And I was told by our dear friend Guru Ma, Santu Mishra, that you have to be like Kusha, you have to learn from her. And the first time I met her, she was just about to get married, and I've always been a very nervous, shy person. So in office, I remember she came the first day we met. She's like, "Oh, hi Dolly," and then she just hugged me, and that was just like, I don't do that. So for me, that was just such a warm welcome, and she was, from the minute she met me, she was always so warm and kind and loving, and always made me feel so comfortable in a place where I was so new and I didn't know anybody. And even when we would go out, and the whole industry was very new to me. I'm not from Delhi, so everything she made, the first few years when we were together, we would travel together every day. We would, in hotel rooms, we would have 2 rooms, but we would still sleep in one, and that bond was, I think, it still is, but we don't get to travel so much anymore. But yeah, I think she was my first you can say like mentor, and she taught me a lot of things without, you know, like judging me, without being like, oh, tujhe ye nahi pata. She would never do that. She'd be like, oh, so this is what this means, and you want to know something more. So I think that relationship, and then obviously the friendship was and is beautiful.
I feel I'm so lucky to have somebody who is extremely talented, but also at the same time is doing the same thing that I am doing. So there's someone I can always reach out to. I think of her as my sister, as my safe space, as somebody I can say anything to without thinking. So it just feels good to have somebody who was going through the exact same thing. And I'm like, hey babe, you know, this is happening with me and it's not feeling nice. And then she responds to it in the most normal, in the most, just what you want to hear in the desired manner. So that's what, it's just the best. Like, I'm just so lucky that I have a friend, a guide, a teacher, and a guru in her. She's all of those things and more.
For social media stars, I feel like a lot of people think that's the way, but I do know some people who love the internet just for what it is. They don't have like a bigger dream ki we are doing this now just because we want to get into movies or we want to do films. Yes, it has made it like I won't say easier, but it's kind of become like the new way to enter films or enter shows or start acting, and for a lot of people it has come true. But I just hope for all the social media people and creators, I just hope whatever they want to do in life, that happens. So even if it's just to create content for hundreds of years, I hope that comes true and they can make content that they're proud of. I think it comes very difficult, and we all have ups and downs where we're like, and internet changes every day, so it's very hard to stay relevant. So I hope that we can all, you know, be okay with that thing, whether we are still relevant or whether we, you know, get out of it after some years. I think we all should be happy is what I hope.
देखिए I can answer whatever, but the future lies in the platform's hands. जो platforms जिस तरह के algo चलाएंगे, जिस तरह के updates लाएंगे, that's what's going to shape the future of what people are going to be creating on social media. But I just hope this place becomes more inclusive. This place sort of not only focuses on people who are already uplifted. I feel people who need more access and more visibility, I hope they are pushed, and I hope people like us also do that, do our fair share of doing this, what I'm talking about. I also hope this place becomes less toxic, which it kind of became this year, but I understand because 2020 was a year where the best and the worst came out, so it's absolutely alright. I'm hoping 2021 is going to be better.